In this video, I will show you how to upgrade Windows 11 24H2 to Windows 11 25H2 on unsupported computers. As you can see, this computer does not meet the Windows 11 system requirements, and we cannot upgrade using the installation assistant. Before we start, please make sure your computer has the latest updates installed. To upgrade, we need to download and install the enablement package manually. Please download the update package from Microsoft's official servers. Once downloaded, open the file and install the update. Restart your computer to apply the changes. As you can see, the unsupported device has been upgraded from version 24H2 to 25H2 without needing to reinstall Windows. All your data and installed applications remain the same. This method also works if your computer already meets the Windows 11 system requirements. The second method is to perform an in-place upgrade using the Windows 11 version 25H2 ISO file. Since the first method only works for Windows 11 version 24H2, this method will work for all Windows versions, such as Windows 11 version 23H2 and older. First, visit the official Windows 11 download website. When downloading, make sure the language of the ISO file matches the language of your current Windows version. For example, this computer uses English United States. Once downloaded, mount the ISO file to your computer. Select then right-click on the setup.exe file and copy its file path. Next, search for CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. Right-click to paste the copied file path of the setup file. Enter this command to upgrade Windows 11 and bypass all hardware requirements. You might see Install Windows Server, but don't worry. Windows 11 will be installed and updated. When upgrading, make sure you select this option to keep all data and installed apps on your computer. Finally, click Install to start the upgrade process. It might take an hour to complete. Please be patient. As you can see, Windows has been upgraded to the latest version without any data loss. If you are not happy with the latest version, you have 10 days to go back to Windows 11 version 24H2. Select Go Back and follow the instructions to return to the previous version without losing any data or performing a clean install. As you can see, the Windows has been reverted to the previous version without any data loss. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.